Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to get a latest iOS when your iPhone device is unable to check for update or an error occurred while checking for a software update. How do you fix that? Let's learn. Right now, as we see in this device, when I tap on a setting manually to check for update, click on a general to software update. Now see guys, here it's saying that unable to check for update or an error occurred while checking for software update. If I click on a try again, still it's unable. So in that situation, if you're having a similar problem, of course we have a solution quickly to fix it. So for it, just you need to open a 3U tool guys. It's a free, of course you can have. Connect your data cable from iPhone device to PC or laptops. Now I have a connected here. Simply you need to click on a refresh options here. So it will start to read all the device informations. Now what we have to do guys, here click on a smart flash options here. Just we need to click on a any especially iOS versions that suit you, or of course you like to update. There are so many options, but I will select this one. So similarly you will have option here to download like that. Here see, I have already downloaded this ones. Suppose this one I would like to, this iOS I would like to go with the flash for these fixations. Yes, I will click to a download, so it will start to a download guys here. So here right now internet quality is not quite good, that's why it's having a problem. So for saving a time here, I have already one iOS 16 point especially one beta version that I have downloaded, and of course I will go with this ones. Now here I will select a fix a flash, and of course I will go with this options and I will click here. It will ask to especially backup, but I'm not going with that, so I will click on a yes. So now it's asking a password here. Of course we can have. So now see here, it will try to push into the recovery mode, so it has gone now. And of course here as we see, it has been disconnected, and on the other hand it's trying to push into the recovery mode. So finally as we see here, yes, it's reached in a recovery mode. Don't do anything, click on a smart and let it complete absolute 100% guys. So your especially iOS that you have selected, that will be completely fixed. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. And furthermore, any inquiry, of course if you're having, then blindly you can have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible guys. So thank you very much indeed.